Hi, this is Dr. Taylor Krupp, and I am one of the associate veterinarians at Central Providence Veterinary Hospital. My technician Bailey and I are going to be talking with you guys about preventative care for your dogs today.
Dr. Krupp, what practices are considered preventative care for dogs?
Preventative care for dogs can really kind of be split up into two groups. One is things that you do at home, and the other is things that we do here in the clinic. So in the clinic, preventative care includes your annual or biannual exams, any lab work that we're doing for preventative reasons, vaccines and testing like heartworm testing, and your yearly kind of fecal floats to make sure they don't have any intestinal parasites. For at-home preventative care, it has some of the basics like trying to help with your dog's dental hygiene, whether that's brushing or using dental care products, giving them their prevention, making sure that they're at an appropriate weight and getting good exercise. But then it can also be a little bit tailored to your dog. So do they need more frequent grooming as far as bathing? How often do they need their nails done? Do they need an ear cleaning routine? Things like that. So that's something that can be tailored to each pet, but the basics are often pretty much the same.
What does a veterinarian need to know about my dog in order to create a preventative care plan for them?
We need to know about your dog's lifestyle. Are they a couch potato? Do they just kind of stay at home most of the time? Do they go boarding, grooming? Are they going to dog shows? Are they going to play in lakes and rivers and camping? All of those things can help us kind of tailor what vaccines and preventative care is best for your pet.
What are the benefits of a preventative care routine for dogs?
Preventative care routines are really important for our dogs because it helps prevent disease. So every vaccine we give, every prevention we're trying to give our pet, and anytime you brush your dog's teeth, we're all trying to prevent a disease process. And so for some, you can't prevent fully, just like dental disease, but you're slowing it down, which is also important to your pet's overall quality of life.
Are there specific guidelines that should be followed for dog preventative care?
There are some kind of core vaccines, like your rabies vaccine, leptospirosis vaccine, and distemper parvo combos that are pretty routine for every pet, as well as heartworm prevention in areas where heartworms exist, like here in North Carolina. But there's part of it that is, again, a little just bit up to your dog and your dog's lifestyle.
Will my dog's preventative care plan change as they age?
The preventative care plan does change as pets get older and also as different diseases develop. So some of our pets that suffer with allergies and kind of show frequent ear infections, sometimes their preventative care plan at home includes more frequent like ear cleans. We have some dogs and some breeds that are a little bit more prone to more significant dental disease, and so for those kiddos, being very diligent at home for dental care and maybe having even more frequent dentals in the clinic is pretty important for those guys. And then also it changes just as your pet gets older in age, it makes them kind of more prone to developing different metabolic conditions. So although we always recommend lab work because we can find diseases in young kiddos too, it becomes a little bit more important as your pet gets older.
What does a dog wellness exam consist of?
Your dog's wellness exam starts really as soon as they walk in. So the technician will greet and will get a weight, and part of their exam is kind of trending where their weight is going. We want to make sure that there's no quick or fast changes unless it's something you're working on at home. And then a detailed history by our technician to see how are they doing at home, what are they currently getting as far as supplements, medication, and food go, and do you guys have any concerns? And then the technician will talk with the doctor who will come up with the best plan for your pet. We'll come in and chat with you, do their exam, see if anything else needs to be addressed that day, and then we'll move forward with what is best with your pet. So I would say make sure you schedule those annual or biannual exams for your pet to make sure that we're doing everything we can do to help.